Yoga's pranayam is the best way to keep fit. PM Modi's message on International Yoga Day. The man who made every Indian proud by impressing upon the United Nations to accept the entire world to celebrate International Yoga Day is none other than the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was when he took over the reins as Prime Minister in 2014, as right his party could galvanize its National Democratic Alliance, yet required 3/4 majority to come to power, handing over humiliating defeat to Congress-led UPA alliance. And it's no mean achievement for Modi on his debut to ensure the rest of the world to accept yoga as the best physical exercise to keep one's health in a good state. This was amidst opposition from some Islamic nations. This is what Modi said in UN in 2014.
योग
specifically
हमारी पुरातन पारंपरिक
that yoga
अमूल्य देन है।
is a invaluable
योग
contribution
मन
of our
व शरीर,
country, of our
विचार
tradition.
व कर्म,
Yoga,
संयम
our heart, our
व उपलब्धि
body,
की
our ideology,
एकात्मता का
our actions,
तथा मानव
everything
व
is a
प्रकृति के बीच
part of our country.
सामंजस्य का
And in order
मूर्त
to,
रूप है।
it's important that
ये
we have
स्वास्थ्य
a coordination
व कल्याण का
between all these.
समग्र दृष्टिकोण
And
है।
this is an important
योग
perspective for our
केवल
health and for our
केवल
welfare.
व्यायाम भर न
It's
होकर
yoga
अपने
should
आप
not be
से
just an exercise
तथा
for us,
विश्व
but
व प्रकृति के साथ
it should be
तादात्म्य को प्राप्त करने का
a means
माध्यम है।
to get
यह हमारी
connected
जीवन शैली
with the
में
world and with
परिवर्तन
nature.
लाकर
And it
तथा
should
हम
bring
में
a change
जागरूकता
in our lifestyle
उत्पन्न करके
and create awareness
जलवायु
in us.
परिवर्तन से लड़ने
And
में
it can help
सहायक हो सकता है।
in
आइए
fighting
एक
against the climate
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय
change.
योग दिवस को
Let's come
आरंभ करने की
together
दिशा में
and
कार्य
work
करें।
towards international
अंततः
yoga.
Yoga is, in fact, the oldest ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice. The word yoga derives from Sanskrit, which means to join or unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. The draft resolution establishing the International Day of Yoga was proposed by India and endorsed by record 175 member states. Since then, the entire world has been celebrating June 21st as International Yoga Day, and today, after 6 years, this is what the message of PM Modi, stating that pranayam, one of the best components of yoga, is the best physical exercise even to fight dreaded pandemics like COVID-19, which claim more than 8 lakh lives across the world since it first broke out in Wuhan province of China more than 6 months ago.
Friends, greetings on the 6th International Day of Yoga. I'm very happy to note the growing popularity of yoga in the last few years, and especially among the youth. We are marking the 6th Yoga Day in extraordinary times. Usually, Yoga Day is about public events, mass participation. This year, Yoga Day goes indoors. The theme of the year is Yoga at home and yoga with family. Friends, the world is fighting a pandemic of monumental scale, but yoga provides multi-dimensional solutions to the multiple challenges COVID-19 has brought. Yoga gives you the opportunity to know your immune system better and put in the extra efforts where needed. Yoga has the potential to cater to mental, physical, and psychological challenges. It puts to test how one can live in challenging times. Friends, yoga offers something for everyone. It enables strong mind and healthy body. In the post-COVID era, the focus on preventive health care will get stronger, and that is why I am confident that yoga will become even more popular.
And undoubtedly, yoga has emerged as a force for unity, and it does not discriminate none as it goes beyond race, color, gender, faith, and nations. This is MS Purthy for Orange News 9 TV.